We are at the main gate of the Dolmabahce Presidential Working Office in Turkey's largest city and financial and cultural hub, Istanbul. This venue, located on the European banks of the Bosphorus Strait, is expected to host a fresh round of face-to-face peace talk between Russian and Ukrainian delegations at 10:30 a.m. local time on Tuesday. So far, the sides have held 3 rounds of in-person talks in Belarus, and their 4th session was in a video conference format. The negotiations finished without any substantial progress on ending the conflict. Since the start of the crisis, Turkey has been increasing its diplomatic efforts in the international arena, stating that it's ready to play a mediator role for lasting peace in the region.